Michael Faraday was the first one to build a motor, and here you see one motor in my hand. Now here is a not very successful design. It didn't work so nicely. This guy commands a little bit more respect, and as you can see, it's a bit angry. Oh wow, इतना अच्छा पहले नहीं चला था कभी. You see, it's very fast and fast.
Can you attach a fan to it?
Yes. Now let's see the fireworks a bit closely. Oh wow, इतना अच्छा पहले नहीं चला था कभी. You see, not all is great with this motor, and it needs to be improved for sure. To know how a motor works, all we need to know is how forces act on charged particles when they are put in a magnetic field. But let's first build one for ourselves. The way I have done this winding is, you take this wire, leave this much extra, and then you go like this, and then you keep looping around like this in the same direction. Okay, so you keep looping. I have looped a lot of it, and after a few loops I have put a tape. Okay, put some tape around so that it doesn't fall off. So I kept looping it, and then I'm going to do the following. Okay, maybe one more time I'll put some tape. Okay, now I take this wire. Okay, this end we are going to connect to battery. Okay, so this is a side. Is it even visible? I take this and I loop. Okay, so you see, it has been going up and down, up and down, up and down, and then finally I loop it few times, and then I go to this direction. Okay, I'm getting confused. So see, this axis, right? I have looped around this side. Now I want to loop around that side, and I should ensure that the current always goes in the same direction. Okay, I should not wind it so that this side the current is going like this and the other side it is going in the opposite direction. That should not happen. Okay, so just let's see. Okay, this goes like this, and then like this again. Okay, maybe I'll first tape a little bit more. Hold on there. Okay, so where I was, I want to do this side, right? Okay, so again back to that position, and then I go up. So all I'm trying to do is ensure that current in both the loops flows in the same direction. So if current is flowing like this here, on this new loop which I'm going to create, the current is again flowing in the same direction. That's all I'm trying to do. Oh, so difficult. Okay, at least 2 loops I have got. Not the loops in quantum field theory, these are loops of wire. Poor joke. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do, and loop it several times and then put some tape so that it holds there, then again, and then I will show you what happens next. So here I will place commutator. Okay, I have just fixed this thing which can be used to attach a commutator. So I have taken this clamp and flattened it out here, and I will now put this one here, okay, to use it as a commutator. Okay, so I have flattened these things out, these clamps, okay, and cut these sides, and I have attached them here. So you see there is a gap. So there are two of these, and they are separated by some gap. Also, I have removed insulation from the wire, okay, at these ends, and okay, let me see. Yeah. So what I want to do is I want to attach these wires, one on this one and one end on this one. Okay, so these will act as commutators. So that's the next step. Oh, oh, ban. We got it. It will not work. This is a nice, simple, cute motor which works to some extent, and I hope you will make one for yourself too.